First, here are the materials we've prepared. Then we loosen the screws and caps under the water tap and the branch frame. Need to pull them out from the inside. Remove from the shower section. Set it aside. Then, also loosen up the other side. This is the drainage section. Block it with a plug. And there's another cap underneath. Loosen it. Set it aside. Then take our water distributor. First, install a rubber gasket. Screw on the cap we just removed. Then, for the water tap and pipe, first remove this part. There are two rubber gaskets. Remove them. Goes down into this hole. Rubber gasket and ring go back in. Tighten it up. These are the hot and cold water pipes. This is the water outlet. Connect the water outlet to the water pipe. After connecting, there's another side. Here, tighten it up. Now we can connect the shower head pipe we just removed. Then this is the water circulation pipe. And that side is for draining water. Connect them. The installation is now complete.